Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhythm. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. So this video is going to be a moisturizer recommendation video wherein I'll be sharing some of my favorite moisturizers with you for different skin types. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we will start with moisturizers for dry skin first. So in the dry skin category, the first moisturizer that I have with me is the Oriza moisturizing lotion. इस moisturizer के बारे में मैंने पहले भी अपनी videos में बात की हुई है. This is one of my go-to moisturizers and one of my most favorite moisturizers in this video. So this moisturizer is enriched with ceramides. So if you are someone with broken or compromised skin barrier, please consider giving this moisturizer a chance. It is so soothing, nourishing, extremely moisturizing, makes your skin really supple and soft. So जब भी मेरा अपना स्किन केयर करने का मन नहीं होता, so this is that one product that I reach for and my skincare is done just by using this one product. So this is my most highly recommended product from this video. This is Oriza moisturizing lotion. So let's quickly talk about the texture. It's actually a cream-based moisturizer, but the texture is not very thick. It's runny and gets absorbed nicely within the skin. It also has cocoa butter, shea butter, avocado oil, olive oil. All skin types can use it, but dry skin type people or people with normal to dry skin type will benefit more from such moisturizers. My next moisturizer recommendation is the Sebamed Moisturizing Cream with 2% vitamin E. This one has a pretty basic and decent ingredient list जिसमें mostly emollients और moisturizing ingredients ही हैं. इसका pH भी 5.5 है. It is definitely nourishing and moisturizing. Normal to dry skin people can definitely use it. A good winter moisturizer as well. Apart from that, it does have a mild fragrance. So if you are someone who prefers and who doesn't mind mild fragrances in their skincare, then you can definitely check this one out. This will definitely help improving your skin's moisture balance. So this is the one you can check out. This is the Sebamed Moisturizing Cream. So if I quickly talk about the texture, this does have a rich, creamy texture. But once you build it up and massage it, it should get nicely absorbed into the skin. My next moisturizer recommendation is this Beyond Naturals Peptide Moisturizer with vitamin E. So this one is also a very good moisturizer. If you don't know, peptides boost the production of collagen in your skin and they also give you a firmer looking skin. In addition to that, they also help protect the skin's natural barrier and they also help soothe down the irritated skin. तो ये मॉइस्चराइज़र भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. आई थिंक ये ऑलमोस्ट सब स्किन टाइप्स पे जाएगा, बट बिकॉज it does have a little bit of thick texture, so it is going to benefit people with normal to dry skin more. However, if you are someone with combination skin type or oily skin type, तो आप इसका थोड़ा quantity में use करें. That should be enough for you. But for normal to dry skin types, this is going to work quite well. So this is also fragrance free and आप इसको दिन में भी use कर सकते हैं and it can even be used at night. So let's quickly talk about the texture. I usually take, sometimes one pump and sometimes even less than that. And if you just spread it out and pat it or massage it, then it gets very nicely built up and काफ़ी अच्छे से आपकी स्किन को ये मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है. आई रेकमेंड यूजिंग मॉइस्चराइजर्स ऑन डैम्प स्किन अगर आपको उसका फुल यूसेज चाहिए. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू यूज़ मॉइस्चराइजर्स ऑन डैम्प स्किन. माई नेक्स्ट फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइजर इज फ्रॉम अर्थ रिदम. दिस इज द फाइटोसेरामाइड मॉइस्चराइजर, वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइजर्स फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. This has 5 ceramides. Usually our skin needs 3 kinds of ceramides which are basically essential for it, but this has 5. Who doesn't need extra, right? So this is one of my most favorite moisturizers, as I said. So this moisturizer actually ties with the Oriza moisturizing lotion because I love this one as much as I love the Oriza moisturizing lotion. It has some of the most amazing ingredients. It is fragrance free. It is non-comedogenic. This should work for all skin types, but I will recommend it more to people with normal to dry skin types because of the nature of ingredients in it. An amazing product. If you're looking for a soothing, calming, moisturizing and nourishing moisturizer, then this is the one you can definitely check out. So I'll quickly talk about the texture. The texture is not very thick, but it is very nourishing and moisturizing. Gets absorbed into the skin beautifully. So this is one of my most favorite moisturizers. This is the Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide Moisturizer. Do check this one out. My next recommendation is this Aqua Oat Moisturizing Cream. Again, a very good moisturizer enriched with ceramides again. I think most of the moisturizers जो मैंने इस वीडियो में दिखाए हैं have ceramides within them. I think it's that one ingredient that I look for in my moisturizers, especially during this winter season, because the skin becomes really dry during winters. So this one does have a pretty rich texture, but skin per it gets very nicely absorbed, and it does give you that mattifying look after it is gotten absorbed. It does have pretty decent ingredients. It is moisturizing, it is nourishing, somewhat soothing, but if you're looking for a very soothing, calming, all-rounder moisturizers, then you can check the Oriza one and the Earth Rhythm one. But this one's also pretty decent. You can definitely check this one out as well. This is also fragrance-free, okay? It's quite budget-friendly as well. So as you can see, it does look like it has a very rich texture. But once you actually build it up and blend it into your skin, तो ये थोड़ा मैटिफाई हो जाता है स्किन में. So this is somewhat how the texture looks like. So these are my moisturizer recommendations for normal to dry skin type. If you ask me my top picks, so it has to be the Oriza moisturizing lotion for sure, and the Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide moisturizer. The other products are also very good. You can definitely check these out if you want to. So now let's start with moisturizers for oily skin type, and in the oily skin category, my first recommendation is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. A very decent moisturizer, a very good moisturizer with a decent set of ingredients. So I think it is going to work for all skin types, and even sensitive skin type people can use it. But because of its very lightweight texture, it is going to be more effective for people with oily skin type. From price point as well, this moisturizer is pretty good. It comes in a 125 ml packaging. Now let's talk about the texture. As you can see how lightweight it is, and gets absorbed within the skin really quickly and keeps your skin hydrated for a good amount of time. My next moisturizer recommendation for oily skin category is this Simple Booster Serum. This is their 10% hemp seed and 1% vitamin B3 serum. I know it's a serum, but I think it is going to work amazingly as a moisturizer for people with oily skin type. This one has 10% of hemp seed oil and 1% vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. It is fragrance free, it is non-comedogenic, it is extremely soothing, nourishing, moisturizing, should work across all skin types, but as a moisturizer, I think it is going to work great for people with oily skin type. This one has a milky texture. I think I've already talked about this product. See how beautifully it gets absorbed into the skin, leaving your skin feel nourished, soothed and really calm. My next moisturizer recommendation in the oily skin category is by Earth Rhythm. It's their Phyto Clear Moisturizer. So this one is an oil-free moisturizer. This has Centella asiatica, horsetail and sage extracts. These ingredients are healing and soothing in nature. They might help dealing with the acne condition. They might also help dealing with hyperpigmentation to some extent. This moisturizer is soothing, it's hydrating. Of course, not enough hydrating and moisturizing for dry skin type, but I think people with oily and very oily skin type might find it helpful. A very lightweight texture. So this is how the texture feels like. My next moisturizer recommendation is from Chemist at Play. It's their moisturizer for combination skin, but I think it is going to be more helpful to people with oily skin. So this one also has ceramides, it has niacinamide, it has pentavitin, which is a soothing and hydrating ingredient. This one also has alpha-arbutin. Apart from that, the ingredient list mostly consists of emollients and texture enhancers. This one's supposed to be fragrance free, but इसमें थोड़ी सी smell है. I suppose it is coming from the ingredients itself. Now let's talk about the texture. The texture is like an emulsion. It doesn't really look like a moisturizer texture. इसका emulsion की तरह texture है, but does the job of hydrating the skin well. Should work well for people with oily or very oily skin type. My next moisturizer recommendation in the oily skin category is this Hydra Net Lotion. This is an oil-free formulation, it is non-comedogenic and it is also fragrance-free. The ingredient list is pretty basic. This one mostly has emollients and humectants in it. This one has glycerine, this also has vitamin E acetate. This one also has pentovitin, which is supposed to be really soothing and hydrating. This Hydra Net Lotion should work across all skin types, but I think it will be more beneficial to people with normal to oily skin type. If I talk about the texture is not very, creamy. And it is quite lightweight. As I already said, gets absorbed into the skin very nicely. And massage करने के 1 minute बाद, it just feels so lightweight. You can also check out the Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. It is also great for people with oily skin type. Apart from that, I think you can also check out the Acrofi Moisturizer. It is great for people with oily and acne prone skin type. I don't have the products right now with me, but I have used them and found them to be really helpful to people with oily skin type or acne prone skin type. If you ask me about my top picks, so those are going to be the Simple Booster Serum. I love this particular product. And I also really like this Earth Rhythm Phyto Clear Moisturizer, and I also really like the Plum Green Tea Moisturizer, which I don't have with me right now. So these were all my moisturizer recommendations for different skin types. Don't forget to moisturize, please, it's very important. And if you like this video, please like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time very soon with a new video. Till then, please take care of yourselves and bye.